Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday. May the 13th, 2024, and we have already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. The 4 stars Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 8526. 8526. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes. A 4-star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Yes. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve that puzzle. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2, 1, 1. We have 4 twos. All right. We have here 2 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 2 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 3 nines. So the twos are a majority. Can I start with the 2? Well, it will be hard. Will be difficult. No. Well, not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between. The second row only, 3 places left. The 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, no 2 there. So the only place left 2 should be there. Alright. 2, 2. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 7 here. 7 in this column. Last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, and now need a 2 here. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Well, in the last row, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the last row should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 3 in this column, the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, First row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 5 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. Then 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1, 1, need a 4 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 1. We have 4 and a 1 in the middle column, so no 4 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. We have 2 here, so the 2 could be here, could be there. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in this, so the 5 could be here, could be there. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 8 could be everywhere. 8, okay. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column, so the column next now needs to place level 8, could be here, could be there. Then, yeah, 8, need a 6 here, need a 4 here, need an 8 here, 8 and the 5, no, 4 and the 4, 4. 1, 4 and the 8. Well, 1, 4, 8, 8. Thinking. Need a 6 here. 4 there. 4 here. 4 there. So 3. I'm thinking. 6. Come on, 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. 8, 6. Still having problems. 5, 7. 5, 7. Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and a 4. So we have a 1. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1, for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. No, wait, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 5, 6, 7, 9, 7, 9, 5, 6, 6, 7, 9. Okay. How about need a 2 here. 5. Yeah, 4 missing. No, not 4 missing numbers. 4, 4. 1, 4, and the need a 6 here. 1, 4, and the 6. 1, 4, and the 6. 4, 4. 1, 4, 6, and the 8. 8, 8. Need the 8 here. Yeah. 8 here. Still thinking. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. 9 here. Yeah. Well, in this column, here we have 2, 5, 8. One of the missing number in the middle column is the number 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. So the 9 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. So we have 6 in this row, 6 in the 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above from that row. The only 2 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left of the 6 should be there. 1 box. Oh, 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1 to 2, the 3 to 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in one of these 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. No. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. From the first row, the only 2 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay, so the 1 and the 4 are left. 1, 4, and the 8. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left the 4, it should be there. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left, the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there, 2 should be here. So the 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8. Here also 5 and the 8 are missing here. 5, 8, and need a 7 here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and the 8. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 and then 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and the 5. We have a 1 now in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Oh, wait. And now... one box left in this column for number 1 is missing. 1 in this third row, 1 in second row. So in first row, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 in first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe, the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Yeah, 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this column. First column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 and 8. We have 8 now in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5, 4, and 8. We have 8 in the third column, so this box should be a 5. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes and there. And 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary puzzle and the jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, this cannot be a 4, 3, but a 2 stars. Yeah, I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. Alright, see you then. Bye-bye for now.